You're on. Hey Benji, are you eating your dinner? Is that your yogi?
What do we do when we're finished? What do we do when we're finished?
We're not finished yet though, are we?
Yeah! Yeah! Good boy! Ta-da! Well done. Are we finished? Ta-da! Good boy. That's especially for Nana.
You say hello to Nana.
You wave to Nana.
Hello.
Hello, Nana.
Hello.
You wave to Nana. Go kiss. Give Nana a kiss. Good boy. That's for Nana too. That's for Nana too. Little mustache. Yeah, waving. Kiss. Good boy. You're finding a bit of salmon. Get one more. One more. And we're finished. We're finished.
He wants a pot.
You want to lick the bowl? Yeah.